Yeah, okay friends. Today we are going to see laser security alarm. What is laser security alarm? So this is what laser security alarm. So in this we have used one battery source. So this is the battery source and this is our circuit diagram. In this the first one is battery and second BC547 transistor and third one speaker or buzzer and next photodiode or LDR light dependent resistor. Next one is one resistor. So we know transistor used as a switch also. So here we are using transistor as a switch. So how collector is connected to the VCC, right? And base is collected out to the VCC through 15 kilo ohms resistor, and base also connected to the ground. Here we have ground through LDR. Next terminal is emitter is connected to the speaker or buzzer and grounded to and grounded. So example, there is a power supply from here. Current will flow in this direction and in this direction, right? So current is flowing in this direction, right? So whenever transistor is switch on, when will be transistor is switch on? So collector is connected to the VCC and emitter is connected to the ground, and whenever we give some pulse or some voltage to the base, so we are giving voltage through 15 kilo ohms resistor and base, right? Now transistor will be switched on. If we connect LDR also, this voltage or this current will flow in this direction, right? When will that current will flow? There is a current, there is a light falls on the LDR. Whenever light is there, light is high, resistance is low. So because of resistance is low, current will flow in this direction and flow to the ground. So here transistor will not turn on. So whenever the light is there, transistor is off condition. So there is no sound. So I am taking one obstacle and placing here. So there is no light. Means no light means, so light low means resistance will be high. Resistance will be high means current will not flow in this direction. Current will flow in this direction. So at that time, collector is connected to the VCC and base is giving, we are giving base to the pulse to the base, and emitter is already connected to the ground, so that the current will flow like this. So speaker will be turned on, right? So when transistor is going to on, there is an obstacle. So obstacle means whenever the man enters or there is an obstacle, it detects the obstacle and buzzer say sound. So now we are going to show practical. To develop laser security alarm, we need breadboard like this. So this one is breadboard, and second one is patch cards to connect, to make a connections between the components, or single strand wire. So next one, light dependent resistor. This is LDR, light dependent resistor. So right, so whenever the light falls on the LDR, resistance will be low. If there is no light, resistance will be high. So this is the property of the LDR, right? So next component, BC547 transistor. So this is the BC547 transistor. So we have three terminals. So how to recognize the terminals? So first one is collector, middle one is base, and third one is emitter. So how to recognize the terminals? So flat surface should be our opposite side, this flat surface, right? So next one, buzzer. This is the buzzer for our indication like sound. Next one, resistor. So this is the resistor, 15 kilo ohms, and for indication we can use LED, otherwise no. And for power up we need one source. This is the battery, 9 volts battery. Now I am going to make a connections of laser security alarm using all these components. First, take a motherboard and place transistor. All these are vertically connected, right? And these also vertically connected. These are horizontally connected. So we can use, this is positive power supply, and bottom side we can use negative power supply. We can use as a negative power supply. So now I am going to make a connections using circuit diagram. So this is, I am placing transistor. You can observe I have placed three terminals in different rows or columns. So this is one terminal, and this is second one, and this is third one. So this is emitter, collector, and base. Okay. So next, for collector we are going to connect okay, I connected positive power supply to the collector terminal. So this is collector row and collector terminal. Next I am going to connect one resistor collector to base, right? So this is 15 kilo ohms resistor connected to the collector to base terminal. So this is the base terminal. Next I connected this one LDR, one terminal to the base and second terminal is to the ground. Okay. Now I am going to connect, I connected LDR. For next terminal of LDR I am going to connect ground. So this is ground, right? Next I am going to connect buzzer. For which terminals? Emitter terminal. So this is the emitter terminal and ground terminal. So this is the buzzer. You are getting sound, right? So there is no light. So that is why we are getting buzzing, buzzer sound. If there is a light, so we can observe there is no sound. Means whenever instead of laser light I am using normal light, you can use laser light. Whenever there is an obstacle between the light and LDR, we get sound, right? You will get sound like this. If there is an obstacle, buzzer will turn on, otherwise there is no sound. The sound will be very depends upon the light intensity. So this is, there is an obstacle like pen, we are getting sound. If I remove the obstacle, there is no sound. Okay. Thank you.